You will often see an effective date on contracts, insurance policies, or investment documents. Let us break down exactly what that day really means. The effective date is the precise moment when the terms of an agreement officially begin to carry legal weight. In many cases, this date marks the stroke of midnight when your rights, obligations, and coverage officially kick into gear. Knowing this date is essential because it decides when you are protected by insurance or when you officially owe a new payment. Do not confuse the date you sign the form with the date the policy actually starts. They are often different days. This chart shows how the effective date acts as a bridge between the moment you sign and the eventual end of the contract term. Always double-check the fine print. Relying on the signature date instead of the effective date is a common mistake for new investors. Check your documents to confirm your start date. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more simple finance explainers.